And typically, you don't know when a recession begins. So, what is a recession? The mechanistic definition of a recession for decades has been 2 quarters of negative GDP growth. Taking it a little bit wider, now it's actually based on a number of factors, and there's not one specific definition, but essentially, it's when there's a significant decline in economic activity. And the National Bureau of Economic Research is the group who defines when a recession begins and when it ends. And it's incredibly hard to be able to say, oh, today is when it began, when the recession began. Instead, it's a quarter from now, when you look at the numbers that came out and you have, trailing indicators. That's when you say, oh, okay, well, based on the GDP growth, yeah, it was about right then. So that's why it's hard to say, are we in a recession right now or are we not? There are some rules. There's the SAM rule, which is SAHM, which is essentially looking at unemployment and a rolling 3-month unemployment number. And anytime that unemployment number jumps above 50 basis points or 0.5% higher than that rolling average, then that correlates really highly with being in a recession. And that's a pretty current indicator. It can tell you within a couple of weeks. But it's not 100%. Nothing's 100%. But at the end of the day, recession is the economy slowing down, the economy actually declining. That's all a recession is.